Yeah.
So Hope, tell us about you. What's your name, your education background? Like, yeah.
Okay, so my name is Hope. As
Mm-hmm.
you heard, I have my education background is I have a bachelor's in economics from Kenyatta University in Kenya,
Mm-hmm.
and then so after I graduated, I worked in a bank, and then
Mm-hmm.
I moved here to the US. Yeah,
When did you move to the US?
I moved to the US in 2018.
2018.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So you have a bachelor's degree from Kenya. What made you join Smart Data? What is the one thing that made you feel like I need to do this?
Okay, so actually, I had never heard of smart data, and then I
Mm-hmm.
went on Facebook, and then I saw Janet. I follow Janet Tangi. So Janet
Mm-hmm.
was interviewing somebody about
Mm-hmm.
data. So that's where I found about I found smart data. So I
Oh.
called, I took the number from there, and then
Mm-hmm.
and then at this time I'm also like in nursing school actually
Oh,
trying
yeah.
to convert my do the accelerated nursing because I have a degree. And then I was like, huh, let me try this one as well. So
Yeah.
I called Jecton and Jecton explained it to me how it
Mm-hmm.
worked, and then
Mm-hmm.
immediately I enrolled. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Nice. So the classes are 14 weeks.
Yeah.
So you had to do every weekend. How was that experience like?
So the class was 14 weeks. I think I joined in, was it in August? I
Mm-hmm.
think hours, or was it September? And then it ended in November. Yeah,
Okay.
we get to do it every Saturday from. So I live in Seattle, Washington, so the time
Mm-hmm.
is quite different.
Mm-hmm.
So ours was it 7 or 8 to
Yeah.
1 p.m. And then yeah, so during the class I was just like it was just training, and yeah, so the class was really, I would say for me, I know I have a bachelor's in economics, but it wasn't like I was like tech, it's
Yeah.
not like science or anything.
Yeah.
So I kind of learned everything from there, and I had used a little bit of Excel, but now they
Yeah.
took advanced
The
Excel,
advance. Mm-hmm.
and then some other software programs. And
Yeah.
yeah, so that's how it
So
happened.
so
Yeah.
it was every Saturday and Sunday from 10, okay, Central Time. For Seattle,
Yeah,
it's, oh,
like
okay.
8 to 1. Yeah.
Okay. So how was do you like your resume that they made you after you finished the club?
I mean, the resume got me a job, right?
That's how was the interview process with that job that you
Yeah,
got?
class, after the class, we did a project, and then after that, they ejected the resume, and
Mm-hmm.
I created my LinkedIn, and then I started applying for jobs. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Do you mind saying where you work at? Or
Also, a company called Conservice is in Illinois.
okay. What do you do for
So
them?
as analyst. So what I do is so what I do on a daily basis is they give me data like from like my just recent project. I have data
Mm-hmm.
from 2017 to 2021. So to come up with an idea of like so I study the different like I study the data from that year, the following year, the third year, like for the 4 years, and then
Yeah.
I come up with let's say like to come up with an estimate um like an occurrence, what happens, so that I can be able to estimate what is going to happen next year and the following year after that.
So you use the past data to predict, to make future projections about something.
Future, yeah.
Yeah,
What
I love that. I love that. And you've never done this data analysis before. This was your first time, and look at you killing it.
Yeah, I just like yeah, because when I came here, I just like went to like nursing school to start like study to
Hmm.
nurse, and then yeah, so it was totally something different for me. So yeah,
Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, thank you so much, Hope. At least
yeah,
you've given the other people some perspective into what smart data does, because some people think it's just something where people just sit every weekend You
Oh
pay your
my,
money and that's it.
you have to like it's not something that you can just like register and just sit there, you know. You have to participate in class, you have to attend all the classes, you have to we had like remedial classes on Tuesday and
Yeah,
Thursday in the
yeah,
evening. You have to attend that as well so that you kind of like understand everything, like because
yeah.
there'll be more questions that will be asked, so you really have to like create the time and attend the class because you don't want to like be done with the class and then you don't know what you were studying and then you go to work and you're like, my God, what am I gonna do? So
Yeah.
participate and so that you know what you're doing at the end of the program. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much, Hope, for your time, guys. You've seen a success story. I'm sure she's open. If you need advice from a former student, I'm sure she'll be okay with you guys asking the question. But really, you should call 469-661-1816 for any question. Again, the number is 469-661-1816. And Jecton will pin that number if you have any questions on how you can join Smart Data. Thank you so much, Hope, for your time. Let me get the next student on board, and you look good.
Ah, bye.
Bye.